What's up, y'all? Welcome back. So here we have the two pieces we'll be working on for the second license plate bracket. This one, I'll try to make it a removable bracket using the wing nuts and thumb screws that I mentioned on the previous video. So let's get started. Alright, so you guys can see I have the first license plate bracket attached to this right now. We're gonna need to figure out how we're gonna put this second one. I'll probably use that same hole. So we're gonna attach this piece right here. Attach it to the heat exchanger bracket, and from there we need to figure out where this other piece is gonna go, and then bend it somewhere here. Either bend it down to go under the bumper and then up, and then attach the bracket, the AutoZone bracket. The AutoZone bracket to this piece of metal. Alright, y'all, so I decided to place this piece under the T bracket after it's attached to the heat exchanger, and then from there I'll probably attach it here using the wing nut and the thumb screw, then bend it down, and after we bend it down we'll go under the bumper and then bend it back up and then attach the other bracket. Okay, so this is going to be an issue. You can tighten up this as much as you can, but this will end up moving side to side either way. So I guess we'll try. Okay, I'm thinking of this as recording, so I'll probably have to make another hole on the T bracket. Let me mark this hole. Okay, let's drill that out. Alright, so I ended up bending this a little too low. After I mocked it up, it looks like I should bend it somewhere around this hole. I'll bend it up, and then I should be able to make it underneath the bumper, and then I'll bend it maybe through this. I'll bend it up here at this bottom hole. Alright, it's not a really nice bend, but it should work. Alright, yeah, so it's the next day. Last night I wasn't feeling so well, so I stopped the video and I continued messing with the bracket, but I wasn't recording. So this here's what I ended up with. This part will go under the bumper, and this is where the other bracket's going to attach to, the one for the license plate. So let me show you guys how it's going to look on the truck. I'm just gonna bend this a little bit more, and then I'll drill out this hole to make it bigger so it can fit this this bolt. And then when you get 3 choices, you can put it here, 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 depending on how you want it. So just drill out all 3 holes, and it should be good to go. Alright, yeah, so to remove the bracket, just get to the wing nuts, loosen them up. Might need to hold the top one, but that, you're able to remove it. Alright, y'all, so that's gonna end the video. This here is the bracket. I still think the first one is better, so I'll keep the first one on the truck with the license plate. But if anything ever happens, I still got this one. So make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys on the next one.